Hello, dear yoga friend. Today is a wonderful day. Stretch yourself up and hit the mat. Today I will focus on a waking up sequence. If you are already awake but can't get up, just do the following movements. Start moving your hands and feet, either one at a time, or you can move them both. Then maybe walk a little bit in the bed with the straight knees. You can have your hands anywhere. You can clasp your arms over the head. You can place your hands like so. You can kind of like squeeze and release your hands and feet. Make some circles with your feet and your hands, working on the wrists and ankles. Maybe add a little bit more of some weird movements. And then start bending the knees towards yourself, one at a time. And while you're doing this, think what you're grateful for today. Then then do the same movements but with some resistance. Then start moving your legs out from the hip. Then resist a little bit with your hands. Then start going with your leg across. You can also do one leg up at a time. You can do it with the resistance as well. And you can bring both of your legs up and do the same thing. Arms up, legs up. And shake it out. Shake out all that is unnecessary in your life. Imagine that it's fallen out, fallen off. Pause for a moment to restore your breath. Maybe lift your head a little bit off your bed and twist it in different directions. Then bend your knees and reverse your breath. On an inhale, bring your belly in. On the exhale, push your belly out as a balloon. Inhale in, squeeze in your pelvic floor, your anal muscles. And with the exhale, push your belly out. Inhale, squeeze everything in. Exhale, push out. Do it for at least half a minute. And then maybe you will be doing it a little more. And rest. And before you get up, do a little bit of a goldfish. So first we will do it with elbows up, like so. Create a wave sideways in your body from your hips. Then release your elbows to the side. And imagine how everything that is not necessary in your body is just shaken out. And go into the appropriate layers of the universe where this energy can restore and rejuvenate. This movement realigns your spine, but for that to happen, you have to do it at least 5 minutes with elbows up, and then 5 minutes with elbows to the sides. And after that, you can stretch nicely and roll out of your bed. And have a nice productive day.